Hello and welcome to the Power of Kingdom Cambodia. Our channel would like to describe about the secret behind scientists' exploration of the new planet. As we know, nowadays scientists are exploring the mysteries of the universe. There are many planets in the solar system. Moreover, scientists have explored the planet by studying more than just exploring the planet where the people are living. The Earth has left many people and scientists with wondering how to interpret the secret behind it. It is a great place for all mammal or everything has born into this world since its inception. The nature has given a lot of benefit to all life. Look like everything has connected to each other, all have prepared perfectly by the universe. However, for 1,000 years since the Earth was created, everything seemed changing by the generation until now. This is the reason that made scientists start to find out why is this changing and want to know these mysteries of the natural phenomenon on this Earth. Now, scientists have found the secret and sold some of them to the whole world by their modern style of study. Not only that, in recent years, they have reached the discovery of other new planets in the solar system. Among them, there is a new planet that they really interested is Mars. Moreover, they said that Mars is better like our planet, but is compared to the Earth. In addition, they have tried to send humans to live there by testing to adaptation and its atmospheres. Also, they have been working hard to make it possible for the human to live. Additionally, planet explorers and scientific research has claimed in the next 20 years they will send humans to live there. Therefore, it was surprising to the world and many people about this research. At the same time, there are many questions asked to the scientists why they are trying hard to find a new planet for the people to live, while the Earth has changes in the real societies and the environment. And can humans actually live on the other planet? The answer is scientists didn't explain clearly about these mysteries. According to the series answers, they providing information about the Earth and the changes of motion of the planet will be seriously affected. Furthermore, this change saw disasters of Earth by predicted out objects and asteroids coming in the wrong direction made a fire called other scientists have often claimed in the past. This assertion seems to tell people all over the world that Earth has no longer substance, and it is the mirrors that they concern, and for the whole world. One more thing, in the real societies, they observe and consider that people are trying to destroy the Earth without any regard or the impact of the world at all. In fact, humans in this society start to think only themselves. Gradually, they make the natural environment. It causes disasters and people is hard to live. The pictures of explorations and question of modernity endangers endless problems. People is unconsciousness and don't have moral in mind. So it is the fact that makes scientists worried for the destruction of the end of the world. As a result, they try to track down Mars to send humans to the Earth before the last time was determined. What the scientist has found is consistent with the bolder prediction of the age of Earth with 500 years distinction, that the Buddha stated that nothing is immortal, everything has its limit, and the end. It's time for us to destroy the world by the fire. According to the power or internal belief, the explorer of the human being evolved from their action that they has committed and what they did like the end and its power given to support life against the laws of the universe. Finally, the punishment that they face is punishment on themselves. It cannot be resisted. What they did must get it back. So this is the end. Let's start, love, and protect our own to be peaceful and more happiness. Thank you for watching this video and please apologize for our mistake. So if you have any stories to share, you can share with us. And don't forget to like and subscribe our channel to get more new videos. See you next time.